All right, this is Liberty stock number 51552. It's a Haas Super Mini Mill, new 2014. That's enough.
We good?
Yeah, let's
sure.
just do it.
Yeah. I got the door open already. We got the switch off, so got a couple tools in there. Finish off. Sitting there. That's on that wall. It's got the top on. These are nice.
Yep.
It's the first time I've seen this. Pretty good. Want to walk around? Or?
That's because they're always cracked when they come in.
They always are, yeah. Got the control. And as you come around here, kind of show that it comes on. I'm not going to play with it. I'm sure it works. I just, as you pull it out, it just turns on, comes up real nice. And yeah, whatever we want to do. Put it back in here, shuts off, goes over to the other dial. It's a nice little feature. So yeah, got the air package coming up on the side here. Show a little bit of that maybe. Down below, coolant pump down low. Get out of the way, give it some light. There we go. Okay, that. All we got is electric panel after that. Drive, I/O, regen circuitry. They're coming at 208 right now. It's wired for low voltage. Leveling tabs down there. I just noticed them earlier. Turbo drives are all up. Spindle, we were going to do that first anyhow, and I'm at what percent? I had 60%. I forgot where it was programmed at last. I'm just going to hit spindle start, and we'll ramp it up to 10 grand we wanted to go to.
10,000.
So that is, where are we at? There we go.
20.
Three.
Yeah, three.
Three, I'll ramp it up slowly. And percentage-wise, of course. 35 at 70%. 4. Let me see that right there. 5. 6. Where we at? Under 20%. 7. 8. 9, one more to go. 95.
Sounds good.
Would stop it and start it once maybe, all the way up?
No, that's okay. I guess we're going to.
Oh, yeah, well, we're just at 10,000, full up. I just don't want the regen circuit, it'll get hot.
Okay.
Do that enough, but yeah. Let me lower that down just so I remember to leave it at 100% or something. There we go. I'll do because I'm not sure what tools to put in what pocket for the program that's in there. So I am just going to go forward and reverse on the AC, on the ATC. I'm going to do forward first, right here. Here we go. Just to get an idea. One more reverse. And one more. That's all pretty good. And jog mode, I'm on X, so I'm just going to leave it on X for a minute. I've got the pulse generator here. Let's multiplier full up maybe. And there's my table if you want to watch it. get in there, Mula. And we'll do Y. Let's bring it down 1 to Y. And Z, of course. Z minus is down. Let me double check so I don't screw this up. Minus is down. Yeah. And that said, we've got a graphics mode here. And what were they running? They were running this execute 10. I got it execution speed 10%, just to get an idea. I don't know. Run that. Would that go? Or am I in single block? I should be in auto. Memory. Let's see if it'll go. I don't know if I can do graphics. I know it'll do it. I just don't know if I can do it. No, actually, I thought we could get that to move around, but maybe not. No, memory. I had it once before. One more time. Let me see. That's on. Usually starts up here unless I hit reset. Let's see now. To go back to the beginning of the program. I'm at the top. Okay, one more time. Let me see. And it's still there. No, I can't do it. I'm supposed to do a dry run from here. I'm not on feed hold, so I don't know. Single block stop. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I hit that. Where's single block? Block delete. Single block off. Well, maybe that was it. Let's see. There it goes. Yeah. Well, it's not drawing though, but it is running now. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. I don't know why single block was on. That's at 10%. It's going over the same square again. We'll see this in a minute. I'm going to run the program. That's kind of what you're seeing on the table in a minute. And it goes back in and does the same thing again. Sets that. I can stop that here and go back into position, go into program, I guess. Memory, program, we're at the top, reset maybe, reset at the top. Cycle start and we'll jump in. Where are we at? On spindle 60, feed is at 150. I'll leave it there because we're not cutting. Rapids at 25. We'll throw that, we'll move that on the fly. Cycle start. Oh, it took that through, okay. I'll bring up the feed a little bit more because I can. This thing just, it's a 20, last cycle was 23 minutes, so. There. And we're at currently 3,500. I can bring that up on the spindle a little bit more. Bring it up to 5. Circles, I think, and whatever.
I think that's good enough,
yeah,
don't you?
It goes for a while, yeah. It's just, yep. I don't think jacking up the rapid would do any good because only on the Z-axis. Yeah. Otherwise, we're in feed mode all the time, as you can see. It's feeding.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's doing some pretty cool stuff in there. So. Stop it there?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Nice running machine.
It sure is.
Yeah, there we go.